The Bitcoin halving is happening in the next 11 hours 58 minutes. The reason why I'm recording the video about Bitcoin halving is because it's a significant event and it happens every 4 years. It happens once every 4 years. So we don't get to see this every time. And after this halving happens, short term, we might not see Bitcoin go up significantly. In the short term, there might be price volatility, a lot of volatility to the upside and the downside. And because of the news going on in between Iran and Israel, that might also cause volatility. But Bitcoin is a secular growing asset. Secular growing asset means it grows up over time. Bitcoin is an inflation hedge. If you check Bitcoin against other countries' currency, you'll see that Bitcoin has gone up against other currencies. So
People are fleeing from everything else, right, into cryptocurrencies. The reason being is because Bitcoin has passed all-time highs in 14 countries already. This was months ago, and now it passed all-time highs in all countries, right? Because it created a new all-time high, Bitcoin specifically, guys. And this. Look at this, guys. Look at all these charts. So, if we compare one of these, I don't know, one of these currencies, guys, right? So X, and then to Bitcoin, or shall we say Bitcoin, to verse another currency, guys, right? Look at the chart right here. That's the chart for you, right? So they planned it out like this, guys. Bitcoin kills every other currency. It outpaces and outperforms, guys, right? It literally chews and spits them out. Look at that, guys.
Bitcoin is an inflation hedge. This is the countdown by CoinMarketCap. In April 2024, the block reward will be reduced from 6.25 Bitcoin per block to 3.125 Bitcoin per block as tracked by our countdown clock. Let's quickly go through these so that we can understand what Bitcoin halving means. Bitcoin halving is a pre-programmed event that reduces the reward given to crypto miners by half approximately every 4 years. The halving is essential because it ensures that the supply of Bitcoin is kept in check and prevents inflation. The reduction of mining rewards mean that the demand for Bitcoin is expected to increase and its value is likely to surge in response. It is anticipated to happen every 210,000 blocks or roughly every 4 years, with the most recent halving occurred in May 2020, reducing the reward from 12.5 to 6.25 BTC per block. Bitcoin halving plays a crucial role in the long-term viability and scarcity of Bitcoin. A look back at Bitcoin halvings. The Bitcoin block reward halves every 210,000 blocks or approximately every 4 years. This regular reduction in Bitcoin's inflation rate is called the halving. November 28, 2012, the first slice. The first halving sliced off the first 50% of the Bitcoin mining reward from 50 to 25 Bitcoins per block. Back then, the impact of the halving was still not priced in. The community was watching anxiously as the closing price on the halving day was $12.20. In the months near the first halving in 2012, the network hash rate and difficulty declined as less profitable miners turned off machines to reduce costs. However, in early 2013, Bitcoin kicked off its first major bull run, surging from $13 to over $1,000 by year's end. The fears of miners' capitulations were proven largely unfounded. The network hummed along and the Bitcoin community learned an early lesson. Halvings are bullish for the Bitcoin network and the price of Bitcoin. Because of time, let me move to 2024 and beyond, which we are right now. So you can pause and check these out. The next halving, we've guessed it, will reduce the mining reward again to 3.125 BTC per block. The Bitcoin community is eagerly anticipating this milestone. It will make Bitcoin supply even scarcer and hopefully introduce a new bull market. Bitcoin's built-in halving stand out as a unique feature that adds predictable control over its supply issuance. Other cryptocurrencies have tried to copy its model, but no other blockchain has had the same success with halving and inflation reductions as Bitcoin. Of course, some critics have argued that halvings are unnecessary and Bitcoin's supply could have simply be capped at 21 million with all the units released immediately. But Satoshi wisely recognized the importance of gradual rule-based issuance and its role in increasing adoption and fairness. Bitcoin would not be where it is today without halvings. Halvings also forge links between each generation of Bitcoin users. Those who participated in 2012's first halvings have watched the community grow and pass new milestones, and those who joined post 2020 look to earlier halvings for context on Bitcoin's root. In conclusion, Bitcoin halving has been bullish historically. Like I said earlier, we might not see the effects of the halving in the short term, but in the next few months, there will be effects. The whales are buying up Bitcoin aggressively, and the demand will enlarge while the supply will contract. We might see new all-time high for Bitcoin in the next few months. This will also be very bullish for other altcoins. During bull markets, once money flows into Bitcoin, it finds its way into other altcoins. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Do me a favor by liking this video so that other people in the crypto space can find this information. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.